In this case, guys, I'll show you how to code in the headlight vertical. So you can see it on there as well, and you'll get the warning. So I've got the auto machine. You'll have to kind of come out of this, go into programming. Okay, I've connected all the wires up anyway. Any control units change, just say no. We'll go into coding, selective coding. It will already highlight what needs coding in, but I'm not overly fussed about some things here. Oh, come on. Integrated chassis, I'm not gonna do that. There you are, front. So let me get rid of all these. So they're the two I'm gonna do. Okay, so we'll hit OK, and then it's going to tell us to switch the car off, make sure it's above 13 volts, which it will be when I turn it off, but it's going to go back to 12, but don't worry about that. It's not going to take a long time in this case. So I have connected to the Wi-Fi. It's going to download the files. I mean, some files are heavier than others. So for instance, if you was doing the iDrive, that's going to take a long time. Okay. So I'll let that do its game. He's downloading the file now. And then hopefully once it's done, it's gonna tell us to do the usual turning off and ignition on. Here we go. So now it's telling me to turn it off. Ignition on. There we go. Shouldn't really take long for the headlights. So it's done the run the power command down, so switches the ignition on and off itself automatically. So it has finished everything. It will turn itself back on in a second. Here we go, all good. Also guys, I forgot to update you. So when you've done the headlights, also code in the ICM as well. Don't forget about the airbag, just the ICM. Code that in, and that should also eliminate it completely, because sometimes you drive it and you may ping back up. But my recommendation would be to do the ICM on both left and right headlight, and that should cure everything. I mean, it's already cured, but just to be on the safe side, really.